Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody who is visiting us this week. We have 100 people in the room already. All righty. What do we got? We got gold doing absolutely nothing. Starting a little early on YouTube. Futures coming in a little bit in the ESs. Let's see. Do we still like 72, guys and girls? I still do. It's down 6 points from here. I like it. If we go there fast. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So a lot of people who are following us on YouTube have taken advantage of getting in our trading room this week. We have over 100 people in the private trading room right now. So we're here for a short week. Next week is our boot camp. Let's look at gold and see if we have anything in between where we are and where we're bidding. We got to have something in between here that fits. Let's take a look. How big a move are you looking for? Well, McScroogey McDuck, if you ever bought any of our courses, you know what we look for on each individual trade. So when this ends, I just click the link. Click the link that we sent you. Yes, absolutely. Yes. All right. Let's go to a different chart in gold. Let's see what we got. 15-minute, we got 25. Let's write it down. 47.25. Okay. Let's go to a 30-minute. We got 47.25. Let's go to our 1 hour. We got 47.25. Let's go to our 4 hour. We got 46.93. All right. So we got a big level coming up at 25. Do we like it? No. It's a 3.5 ATR. That would only be, well, it'd be a 5-point move. Probably okay. No, Marie, we have to update that. You are correct. So gold, we're looking to make between 1 and 5 points every time we make a trade, depending on what the ATR is. Okay. And if you're trading the mini golds, you know, each point is $100 per contract. So if we can get 2 to 5 points, we're in. Well, we got the ADP employment report coming out today. Let's take a look at our economic calendar for the week. Yeah, I mean, that's not usually a big number, but who the hell knows? It might be worth it just to cancel our orders before that comes out in 5 minutes and hang out. We got to make a profit and loss on the silver and gold. We'll figure it out. So maybe we cancel everything when this number comes out. Who knows? Sometimes it's not big. Sometimes it is big, but it's probably better to be safe than sorry in 3 minutes. And we'll cancel all our orders. Thursday, guys, we got a double possible turn and burn. 8:30, we got GDP, and then 10 o'clock, we got PCE. So if you want to grab a couple of Apex accounts between now and then for 80% off, it's probably worth doing. Gold, we needed to move at least twice the ATR before I even think about it, Marie. So right now the ATR is 3. I want at least a 7 to 10 point move. I would say 10 just to be safe. So I think for the ADP report, guys and girls, we'll just cancel our orders. We'll take a chill pill. I mean, I don't mind leaving this out. If gold goes down 18 points, and let's come up a little bit to 09 now. That's down 20 points. I'm okay leaving that one out. But I think for the ADP report, we'll cancel most other things. Apex ends on Thursday. There you go. Better safe than sorry. So if we don't hit our ESs in the next couple of minutes at 72, we'll cancel that stuff. I'm certainly leaving 69.03 out. So we'll give 72 another couple of minutes. Well, actually, do we even like it anymore now? The ATR is 5. We'd be moving down exactly 5 to hit that. Let's give it another minute or two. Otherwise, we're canceling that also. No reason having anything out for the unemployment, for the ADP report. Whether it affects it or not, we don't want to gamble. Bitcoin, where are we? You trade the micro Bitcoin futures. We're at 90,000, 91,000. We got 90,173 as the previous week low. That's down 700 points from here. I kind of like that. 90,170. What's the ATR? 107 points. That's muted. Usually the ATR in this Bitcoin is like 300. This has been an amazing experience so far, and it's only been 2 months. Good, G. Yeah, just stick to the program. The orb trade is in the futures course. Don't we have that in there, Scotty? How do we not have that in there? We don't have that in there when we got to get it in there today.
Yeah, I sent a.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
But
don't we have? Haven't we gone over it and recorded it?
Oh no, it's 100%. It's in the mentorship links. It's dated November 18th. It's I don't know, hour long. So we are going to move it, but it's a copy, David. So it will always be in the mentorship archives. But we're going to copy it over to the resource center under slow markets.
Let me know if you need me to get Roman to do it.
No, Roman's 100% with me on this. We talked about it this week, and we're on it.
Okay, so it is in there, guys. If I entered when the ES touched the 200 EMA, it would be a judicious strategy. Yes, that would have been a great short if we could have got up there, but we missed it by less than a point. Yes. All right, cancel. I'm leaving gold out. Let's wait until after this ADP report comes out. I'm on an eval account, had a bracket auto trailing stop using trade evade. Anyone why would this have been suspended? They don't want me to have stops. Yeah, Daniel, we'll get that straightened out for you. So let's see if this ADP report does anything. No sense in getting ourselves in trouble. Let's just relax. Relax. Don't do it. When are you going to get to it? No, it wouldn't be a far from moving average trade in the ESs. It is in the mentorship, Claudia. It is in your mentorship meeting. I would do that. Just put stop instead of trailing stop. November 18th. There you go. So let's let this news come out. I'm leaving gold if we spike down 20 points or up 20 points. I'm okay with that. Saturday. Otherwise, we're not getting ourselves in trouble. And again, I don't know if there's a big number or not. Let's chill out. Yeah, top step's a little different. Which you can use, guys. We don't care if you use top step, take profit trader. I don't care what you use. Makes no difference to us. Apex is our preferred, but that doesn't mean you can't use whatever you want. All right, let's see if this ADP report does anything. I doubt it will, but who the hell knows? Boom, boom, boom. Never know. Someone let me know when it comes out. Or when it's out. It should be out now. Once we know this is a non-event, we can go back to putting our orders out. which it looks like it is, which we thought it would be. Saturday. Well, with bigger news, we'd know it came out when we got a gigantic move in the ESs. Boot camp starts at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time next Monday. And when does it end? Whenever we finish every day. We'll go over it more. So getting a little bounce off this number. 72 would have been nice. As we get closer to it, Richard, we'll go over the criteria and the schedule and all that stuff. All right, so we're doing nothing. Squadouche. We're going to put our 8850 back out in the MESs because that's up 10 points from here now, and that fits. 68, 88, 50. Okay. Let's put out 65 for now for the opening. Down 14 points from here. So we didn't get near to 72. What time is it? It's only 8 o'clock. Jeez Louise. But let's have it out anyway. 68, 65. Actually, we're going to put the 72 back out. It's down 8 points from here. I like it. 68, 72. Boom. That's back out. Gold. We're good at 47.09. We're good at 47.42. Good. Everything else is just hanging. Ninja Paper has the best availability of order top and boxing. Yes. Ninja Trader, you can also attach your orders to the moving averages. So that's a good thing. Has anyone used Traderify? It's a good question. I have not. Let's look at silver. What are we doing? Hi-ho silver away. Silver 94.30. Might be a little spot in the SIL. And then we got 94.06. 50 cents is a big move in silver. What's the ATR? 25 cents. So that would be double the ATR. We'll keep our eyes on it. So we got a whole lot of nothing going on, guys and girls. Everything's down significantly and just sitting there. Nothing, honeys. Traderify is another prop firm. Traderify, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Top Step. There's a ton of them out there. I agree, Stacy. There's a lot of uncertainty today. As we get closer to the opening, I think we might even just chill for the opening and let things set up for 15, 20 minutes and not have anything out. We'll see what happens. Apex won't let me trade SIL. I can. I'll show you what I'm trading in Apex. It is the SIG6. You should be able to trade it. I got my 5th payout. Should be going live today. Way to go, Hendrik. SIG6 is what I'm trading in Apex, but it is like $100 a penny. It's like insanely expensive. You blow up account in 2 seconds doing it. So don't do it. Don't do it. Last night, I think we had a really clear, nice orb breakout in gold. It worked out very well. And we're just sitting in nowhere's land, guys and girls. Morning, Myra. Like I said, as we get closer to the opening, I think we're just going to take a little chill pill. If anyone sees any stocks, I want to talk about any stocks, please pop them up there. We have not had a swing trade set up in a while now. Nothing has really extended one way or the other. That's a great question, Alex. Let's answer Alex's question for everybody. Alex just asked me, what do I expect from Netflix? Okay. My answer to what I expect from Netflix is what Ken just said. I expect it to either go up or down. And I don't know which, but we'll take a look at the daily chart and see what happens. See what we look at. Let's go right to the daily chart. We're trading at 90 bucks. Wow, look how bad this thing has been. Holy mackerel. That is just a horrible looking chart. Horrible. Earnings are coming out on the 20th. Is that today? We have earnings in Netflix today? Yowza. All right, we'll take a look. I'll give you guys a little earnings lesson. Gold's getting a smackdown here, guys and girls. Hold on, we'll talk. Let me just make myself a note to talk about earnings with Netflix. Little smack-a-dack in gold. All right, I like where we are, 47.09. I don't see anything in between now and that. We just went down from 30 to 22, 8 points. But I don't see anything. ES is rallying. Gold's coming in. Do we still like ES at 88? I think we still do, guys, if we get there fast. Double bottom in gold is 2020. All right, we're going to chill. I don't see any reason to be running into anything right now. Morning, Jerry. All right, I like to see the ESs go on this pop if we're going to get it. Ken had 2020. How low did we just get? 2120. Nice. Just a bit outside. So Ken had a fib at 2020, guys. We missed it by a point and went up $4. And again, guys and girls, everything's just hanging in the middle of nowhere's land. The worst part is not knowing where it was going. I made 300 bucks last night. Yeah, it's crazy. Do not trade the SIL. It's insane. I'm going to cheat a little in this gold up to 0950 if we spike down that far. ES is turned back down. Okay, guys and girls, we're just flopping in nowhere's land now. Gold is where all the action is right now. Bitcoin's down almost 4,700 points, almost making new lows. Silver's dead. Mist is not doing anything. All right, so let's look at Netflix, guys and girls. Okay, earnings are coming out tonight, right? It has been absolutely beat to crap. Horrible. Daily charts, horrible. Weekly charts, horrible. Monthly chart. Oh, monthly chart was sitting on a little level, guys. 86.50. Okay. Let's see what happens on a weekly if we break that. 86.50. We got 75. Don't laugh. Don't trade SIL because it's too expensive. Improve. And then on our monthly, we got 67. So those are a couple of levels I'd write down. 75 and 67. Now, okay, just to get a little earnings lesson, guys and girls. On Think or Swim, when I go to trade, I'm going to type in Netflix, and it's going to tell me what the expected move is in Netflix. Let's take a look. Expected move is $6 in Netflix. $6 up or down. Doesn't mean it's exactly going to move to that, but based on all the other earnings, that's about what it moves every time that the earnings come out. So we're at 89. I can tell you this. If we get to 75, I will start a long-term investment in Netflix. That's down 14 points from here. And it is our weekly level, 75.02. That would be cut in half. So that's what I would be looking for if we get a horrible spike down. 75 would be my first entry, and then 67 would be my second entry. That would be a long-term trade. We'll watch a trade tonight for those of you who are in the trading room. We'll watch a trade. See if it gives us anything. We'll take a look. We'll be here tonight, late, so we might as well. All right, let's go over our orders. Gold is sitting in nowhere's land. 09 and 42 is good. ES's. Yes. ES's, we're at, I still like the 72 if we get there in a couple of minutes. Otherwise, we'll go down to 64 for the opening. Good. Morning, Gene. So if you guys who are watching on YouTube want to come into the trading room for the rest of the week when we're done here, I'll give you the link. This will be the last week we're doing that. Also, guys and girls, at the end of this week, we're going to change the link to our private trading room. Anyone who is a private trading room member, you have to send me an email. I'm going to send you the new link over the weekend. For this week, you can, baby girl. Just send me a request. So at the end of this week, we are changing the link for the private trading room because we have a lot of people that take advantage of our good nature. Gold is down 32%. What? That gas? Holy mackerel, guys. What's going on in that gas? Wow. Insane. I don't know what this is, but we got an 80 RSI. All right, this is going to be risk on. I'm going to start shorting a little bit of this KOLD for 21 on Boyle. Look at the daily chart. Let's see where we are. Daily. 2303 is the 30 EMA. We're at 2160. Wow, something is going on in that gas. This is insane. I'll show you again in a minute. All right, let's put up Netflix. This is only on Thinkorswim, guys and girls, that you can get this. I'm just putting a little marker out in that gas just so I can follow it. A little orders out. Okay, so if you go to Netflix, put in trade, you'll see right here, $6.15 is the expected move. You're only going to get that on Thinkorswim. It's only 8:30. All right, we're canceling 72 in the ESs. We're going to put out 65 just to leave it out. For the opening, we like that. Down 11 points is good. Gold, we're good on both sides. Yeah, there's nat gas, almost $4. Wow, that is a gigantic move, guys and girls. In nat gas. I'll tweet out when we're going to do a little swing trade in Boyle. If it gets to 23, that's where we're going to do a little swing trade. I'll tweet it out to everybody. That is the daily 30 EMA 2304. So for anybody who owns our course or is a room member, I will be tweeting that out if we get up to 2304. The groove. Wah. Yes, expected move in either direction, up or down. Good morning, Michelle. So what did I say? 23 is Boyle. I'm going to tweet that out for my guys now. If you are a course member or a room member, you have our private Twitter sphere. Anyone, everybody, who in this room has that? Because I'm going to do a tweet right now. And I want to make sure you get it. Who's in the private Twitter sphere, guys? Just give me a one. All right, good. Let me know if you get this. If you requested it, I should have you in. I'm checking right now to see. I got a few more requests, so I'm going to get them in there right now. I have nobody waiting now, so you should get it. Okay. We'll start swing short in BOIL at 23. Not financial advice. Add every dollar. Let me know if you get this. ES is getting crushed here, guys. Whoa, it is news out, guys. Take some profits. We got in at 65. It went right up to 66. There is news out, guys. Took some profits at 66. This is news. Take a chill pill. Taking more profits up here. Out at 70. Everybody get a good trade off that? Boom. A boom. I'm not ready yet. All right, that's cool. Relax. Did not get gold off 2020. Not about it. That is obviously news, guys and girls. So take a chill pill. Now, I still at 47.10 in gold. So what we end up getting in that, guys? 3-4 points from 65. I think we got out at 68 and 69. Nice bounce. So we bought that on our pivot point, guys. Okay. 64. It only went 1 point against it. YouTube, anybody get that? 2 points, 2 points. I just made $500 off that. Boom. Nice job, guys. A nice, spicy meatball. I blew 5 accounts before. Since this is a weekend, I'm going to open. David, should I chill till I get the live account, or it does not matter? I would chill if you're going to be moved up to a live account. I would not risk any money. What don't you guys see? All right. Did anyone get the swing trading request? All right. Again, guys, you have to be a room member or a course member to get that. If you're not a room member or a course member, you're not getting it. Good. All right, Zay, I'll get you in. All right, John. Yeah, I don't want to post it in here, guys, because we have 100 people visiting. All right, John? So send me an email, and I'll make sure you're a room or a course member, and then I'll send it to you, okay? Or I'll give it to everybody in slow markets tonight. All right, what do we got next in the ESs? We got a double bottom. And again, I think we're going to chill for the opening. So this is just a lot of volatility coming out of the yin yang. I think we take a chill pill here. Relax. Yeah, I know. Nat gas is crazy. That's good. I hope it keeps going up. I really want this to get to 23 so we can start a swing trade. Crazy. Meanwhile, I'm just going to add 5 shares every 20 cents. Again, I'm not really starting this until 23. This is just a marker. Wow, lots of volatility this morning already. Insane. David, that EM's trade off the pivot point. Yes, you should have a pivot point at 68.64 on your 5-minute chart. And your pivot points are off also. All right, someone who has think or swim. Was my pivot point right? Yeah. You should have had your pivot point at 68.65, somewhere around there. I don't have it either. Scotty, what do you got?
I have them both, yours and there. It's because of the half day, David.
Right. It's going to adjust.
Yeah, so we basically have a day and a half worth of data going into one of the studies. So they'll correct tomorrow, and then they'll be the same again.
Yeah, they'll correct tomorrow, guys and girls. Just use what we have for now.
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right, let's go over our orders. Ninja Trader, they're good. All right, ES. Obviously, we'll leave out our short for the opening. What do we like on the long side, guys? 46 is a double bottom. Let's see if we got anything in between. 1 hour. 4 hour. Daily. Ooh, that's 68.41. But we don't have much yet. I don't know much. But I know I love you. Well, let's leave out a double bottom just for the hell of it. 68.46. The halibut. Let's see if we like a short and gold anywhere. We'll get our orb set up now, guys and girls. Now we like our gold at the double top. We have that out there. Yeah, that's good. That's good. In the groove, wah wah. All right, we're gonna relax a little bit now. In the groove, wah wah. Any trades? Yeah, we had one trade. One trade set up. Gold's getting a rippy dippy. In the groove. Well, all right, we're chilling, guys. I think it's peanut butter coffee time. Relax. Morning, Joe. The one trade we had was off our pivot point in the ESs. Peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time. Bump, 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 bump. I made it to a live account in day one, David. Now sit and wait, right? For now, I'm going to trade MES and learn the Wall Street. I made it to a live account. Oh, you mean in Apex? Yeah, don't trade those accounts anymore. Open up another one. Try to get another live account. It's only 38 bucks. And trading MES is fine, yes. All good. We got a double top in gold if we go in that direction, guys and girls. Let's see if we get gold on this pop up. ESs are hanging in nowhere's land. Peanut butter coffee time is the time of the day where we're kind of slow and hanging out, waiting for things to set up. And when we go make coffee, is it just me or is Top Step price fee sometimes delayed? Don't ask me about Top Step. I think they have a lot of problems with their systems at times. So. Yep. Yeah, no, it's cool. Listen, guys, again, we don't care what futures firm you use. It's all good. I know they've been having some problems with their executions. That's all. All right, we're good in gold. We're good in MESs. And we're just chilling. All right, I'm going to fill up my coffee. Basically, what that means is I'm filling up my coffee. Orders are good. None of them is going to happen, but orders are good. All right, back in 5. Yes, it's a regular moving average trade in the ESs. Yes, I know it's more than 20 points, but we're going to take a chill pill for the opening. I mean, 77.14 probably works. That's up 7 points, but we're going to chill out. Back in 5. Yes, you can pass an eval account in one day with Apex. Yes. I'll be right Robert, did you send an email to Roman? Mr. Lorenzo? Good morning. Is it possible to get the Ninja set trader set up? Thanks in advance. Guys, if you are here, let me just say this. If you are a course member or a room member, we'll give you the Ninja setup in slow markets tonight. I'm not posting anything in here. Okay. You have to send an email to Roman. Yes. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. Let them know. All right, Durf. If you don't hear back, send me an email and I'll take care of it. Give it to the end of today, all right? You too, Lorenzo. I will forward it to Roman and make sure you get them. Okay? You're still waiting for an answer from Roman about what, Damien? Gold missed the double top? Yeah. We got up to 39. All right. Here's what we're going to do, guys and girls. Let's cancel everything for now. It's only 8:53. Let's come back, take a little break for a few minutes. Come back in a few minutes. We'll regroup and start putting some orders out again. All right? Everybody take a little break. Back in 2x2.
Morning. Dave on a break. Good morning, everybody. It's me, Peter. How's everybody doing? that the YouTube? Morning, guys. Yeah. Hey. Good morning, everybody. So let me give, while Dave's on break, let me just give you a lowdown what's going on. So obviously over the weekend, President of the United States is on a rampage to try and take over Greenland. His belief is that if you take over Greenland, it's a matter of, if we don't take over Greenland, Russia will unfortunately, he picked sort of a wrong time to do it because he's at Davos now, right? Davos is the economic conference, right? And the economic, the fact that the U.S. has just made inroads into Venezuela, which is a major oil country, right? One of the top 5 in the world, has gotten everybody a little bit on edge. The other major players in the oil space, the ones in the oil space are obviously Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Russia, China, and Iran. Right? These are all not particularly our friendliest foes, and they're a bit combative. And now the United States, based on, I mean, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Obviously, Europe does not want the United States just going around taking over countries like in some willy-nilly fashion. And the fact that he's come up with a story that, it's either us taking over Greenland or Russia doing it, there's not a lot of basis there. And so what you end up happening is that he went into threat mode, how he can be back in February, March, and April with tariffs. So basically he said to Europe, if you don't let me take over, good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. It's so good to see you all. He basically said, if you guys don't let me take over Greenland, then I am going to impose massive tariffs on all of you and all of these are our trading partners, right? This is all of Eastern Europe and Western Europe. So, it's kind of a little bit, it's a little bit nutty. I don't know, this is not a political statement. This is kind of a global statement, right? I mean, these are our trading partners. These are this is the world. It's for him to come in. He's sort of on a rampage to take over one country by one country, whether you're a fan of his or not. It's not going over well with the rest of the world. And then to go on to a hyper threat mode as far as, tariffs go. Once again, we've seen what that can do, right? It makes obviously the market sell off, right? Last night I was up around 3 in the morning. Market was down about 500 on the Dow and about 88 handles on the S&P. I'm not sure I'm seeing where it is now. Maybe there's a little bit of a bounce back from it. But that's where we're at. So, we were kind of looking last week talking about where are we at? What is going to be the next catalyst to take the market higher or lower? Well, we found it now. It's going to be Davos. Davos historically has been a place where the president has caused some problems. If we go back to Davos during Trump 1.0, then what you ended up having was that was the first time that Trump brought up China and tariffs. And that was a day on a Tuesday at 11 o'clock that the market sold off 1,400 points in the morning and then rallied back 14 points by the close when he changed his mind. So once again, we're in that kind of a mode where we're not really sure what the tack is, but surely he's gotten everybody up in arms in Europe. Europe is not particularly appreciating the threats. And, they are, you have to realize that we're part of NATO, right? The National Alliance, right? Which is United States, and the National Alliance is sort of up against Russia. And then you've got Russia. I don't see Russia making any kind of major inroads into Greenland. It's kind of a thing that, Mr. Trump's belief is that Greenland has all different possibilities from a strategic point of view, from a commodities point of view, or whatnot. We're not really clear what was the Venezuela story about. Was that a strategic move? Was it an oil move, a silver move, a gold move? When it comes to all these things, and you got all our other partners, global partners and global foes, then you're going to have problems how it affects commodities. Obviously, what's David graphs up here is of the, what is it? GC. Okay, cool. Anyway, so you're going to start to see some things bounce back, but that must be, what is that graph, guys? I can't really see it. Is it gold? Yeah, that's what I thought, Deshaun. Thank you so much.
Ripped through every level that we have. So good cancel on the double top, guys.
Gotcha. So anyway, hey, Debbie. So obviously that's a flight to safety. We saw that happen in the middle of the night as people start. How bad is the SPY down, David? 80 handles or more?
Let's take a look. Yeah, almost on the lows.
Right. So it's down 88 at 3 in the morning. So probably around that level.
We are at 681. The low is 679. So we're significantly off the lows.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that's good. I mean, we know that's probably just a technical bounce off of that. I don't think any position posturing has changed in Europe. Obviously, it's about 6, 7 hours or later in Europe, and they're already deep into the conference. But as of last night, the U.S. was laying down a minimum of 25% tariffs across all of Eastern and Western Europe, which did not go over big with everybody. So that's probably going to be what's going to be affecting the market this week. Davos is always historically been a major place where world leaders are positioning themselves, and surely Mr. Trump is taking the ball and running with it there. So that's going to be the overriding thing this Tuesday. Obviously, it's a shortened week. Look, we also know that how January goes very often historically is how the market goes for the year. So people have been trying to push their way towards Dow, 50 thou and S&P 7 thou, but this is surely going to put a bit of a damper on it. Now we look. We've seen it before. We've seen, by day's end, Mr. Trump can pull back all of this posturing, and that we could be back in best friend mode. But I don't think that's going to happen right now. This is sort of a heavy play that he's making here, and to back off now seems a little bit odd. But we've seen it happen before. Anyway, that's my wrap on the morning. So just beware. You're going to be in store for a lot of volatility around Davos. Just be watching the news because it's going to be affecting everything happening in the S&P, in gold, in futures, in whatever you're playing.
Thanks, Pete.
I pass it back to you, Chief.
All right, gold. We're getting to a 73 RSI. Let's see if we get stretched out a little more from here. Maybe we get to the 80 RSI. Bump, 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 bump. Don't do anything right now. Just take a chill pill. Let it do its thing here. Bump, 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 bump. 47.61 pivot point. I don't have that. I don't have that. In the groove, Didn't quite get to an 80 RSI, guys and girls. We got to 72. But we got to look for the buy side of gold, obviously. What do we like? What do you guys like? What time is it? 9:05. All right. 30 EMA is 32. Let's do that. All right. We'll go by yours. It's fine. We'll go small at 47.32. That would be down 22 points. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Oops, MGC. All right, and we'll put out 47.61. I'm down with that. All right, so 47.32 if we go fast. Come on. Get MGC, not GC. 47.32. Good, down 20 points. And 47.61 we like. Now we can cancel a short side for now. 32 is good on a pullback, guys. We spike down another 6 points real fast. ESs are doing nothing. $32 is our 65 EMA, Alex, and we'll be down 22 points. So we are good. I don't know. We don't usually do qualifying based on the orb. All right, what else we got? ESs. ESs are completely dead, guys. So let's put out our 86.50. Pop that out. Up 16 points. $68, $86.50. Keep in mind, guys and girls, the ATR in gold is 6 points. So we are on the micros. Keep it small. Pop, 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 pop. 7 point stop on the micros. Okay. Yes. 86. I don't know. Anyone got anything on the buy side of the ESs, guys? And we want to throw out the 61 in gold, right? You guys got a fib up there. That's up 20 points. We like that. Laka, laka, laka. Let me look. ES 46.74. What is that, George? What's 46.74? We're trading at 68.60. Clarify. Specify. That was the top of gold. Thank you, Bills. It wasn't easy to do it, but that was the top. Runaway trade, never going back. Good morning, Christopher. Yes, we have a lot of visitors today. Bitcoin's doing nothing. Silver's doing nothing. ESs are doing nothing. You have a fib at 56 in the ESs? I'm down with that. Anybody else corroborate 56 in ES? I like that. Down 12 points from here. Anybody? All right, let's do it. Boom. 68.56 works for me. Gold. Thank you, Scotty. All right. As we get closer to gold on the opening, I think we're just going to chill. because we already have like an 8-point ATR. Actually, the higher we go, the more I like the, we can leave the 32 out. Fib at 56.30. Nice job, everybody. Okay, we're good. We're good. Man, gold is insane, huh? Just doesn't stop going up. Every day it goes up 100 points. Crazy. But if we go to our daily chart, guys and girls, you know, we are not stretched. So, yeah. Why isn't it real, Gene? Trade, man. When something sets up, trade. As long as we stay up here, we're going to leave gold out for the opening down 15 points. That's twice the ATR. Yeah, that's good. Well, good. Scotty told me to just practice trades. Yep. It's all good. Keep practicing. Morning, Shlomi. Yes, that would be a regular moving average trade in gold on a pullback. All right, I'm just going to fill up my coffee. We're good up at 61. All good, guys and girls. Back in 2 minutes. All right, ladies and gents, let's go over our orders. See what we got. Gold, we got our 62, 61 out. We like that. It's good. Buy side in gold. What do we like? 32. Guys like 32 in gold. I like that. $33.10. We got a fib. All right, let's put that out. Boom. 47, 33.10. Take it easy on the opening, guys and girls. We got our 62. Okay, that's good. Cancel that. Let's see what's going on in the ESs. It will be another trade if it hits those levels, Gene. So we're bidding 33.10 and we're offering it 61 in gold. Okay, let's put it out. Aha. $33.10. Okay. ESs, where are we? ESs are dead. What do we got? 56 and 86. Still like both of them, guys. 56 is down 10 points. That's good. And what else? Anything else doing, guys? Anyone else have anything else on anywhere? Bitcoin's hanging on its lows. Little pullback in that gas. Nothing to do there. Silver. Anyone like silver anywhere? 94.20. I like silver. See if I can trade this. I don't think I can on this thing. No. Forget about silver. Oil. Let's take a look. What do we like? Again, oil, ATR is 12 cents. So we look for like a 25 or 30 cent move, Andreas, before we get involved in oil. We have a fib up at 47.61, guys. Yeah, well, we were closed yesterday, guys. That's why we're here today. Oil looks like a trend they're setting up. You know, if we pull back to 59.66, if you're in oil, 60.60 is a pivot point. Yeah, again, I don't have that one, but I like it short. We can put that out. I'm down with that. CL 60.60. I am definitely down with that if we spiked up there. Okay. I don't even, oh, there's the MCL. Okay. 60.60. Gold is just a runaway train, guys. It's insane. Boom, chakalaka laka. All right, do we still like 61, guys? Up 8 points from here? ATR 6. What do you guys think? You guys tell me. Just grab my coffee. What's the consensus in gold? Yes, I want to be long gold too, but do we still like the 60-60? That is the question. 61. It's up 5 points from here. What does everybody think? Now it's up 8 points. I think we leave it for the opening. Bum, 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 bum. 36 on the buy side in gold now. We're coming up. 65 EMA is 33. All right, I like 36. It's down 20 points from here. We're good. We'll do one contract. And we're doing the micros, so we're good. We are good. Got our orb set up. I like gold if we spike up to 61 on this popper dopper. It's fine. Ooh, do we like the ESs, guys? Kind of would have liked it if we spike up there. I still like it. 86.50 on this pop up. And we'll watch our orbs. You stink. In the groove. All right. Got our orb set up a little bit, but it's early. So we got the bottom of the orb in ESs. Let's give it a couple of minutes. We got gold down 10 points. Gotta wait till the orb sets up. So. Like a double bottom from this morning, 60. Definitely like that. Let's just let things set up for a couple minutes. It's fine. Stop loss in gold, you're going to be on the micros with an 8-point stop. Is that right, Scotty? 8-point stop. Yep. We got 36 and 34. And we got 2.5 minutes for the orb setup. Patience, patience, patience. Correct. 8-point stop, looking for 2 to 5 points in profit. That is correct. That gas came in right to our level, so I'm just going to cover that. Yeah, we'll talk about market orders and limit orders tonight if you really need to know that. All right, orb is getting set up, guys, in 1 minute.
Gold. 1 minute.
Still like 36 in gold if we get there right now. I guess we do. Take profits in gold. 2 points. 2.5 points. You're out. Why am I so slow? Everybody get a couple of points in gold? I was just too slow to get it. 2 points, 36 to 38 is good. We'll take it to start. Got your banana skins. All right, what do we like next in gold, guys? Because we don't like 33.
30.
Our orbs are setting up, okay? I'm not going to short gold on this break because we went down too far. Yeah, we missed the ESs.
Buy stop.
We like the bottom of the orb in ES, guys. It's set up, right?
Okay, sell limit.
Yes. 71. 28 in gold. All right, let's put it out. This has a fib, 47, 28, 10. Boom. And we like the bottom of the orb in ESs, 68.71. Boom. 68.71. Okay, a couple of orb trades setting up. All right, let me go over some of this stuff. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of gold oil. All right. Everybody good? Anybody got anything else? Let me know. Gold. We'll definitely short the top of the orb in gold. Now it could be a little breakdown again, but we went down a lot to get there. So let's chill. Got on one good gold trade. Let's just take a chill pill, relax, wait for things to set up. Didn't see that, Bull. 47.33. Just missed it. Missed it by 20 cents. Gold. Everybody just take a chill pill. We don't do anything until something sets up. So we like the bottom of the orb in the ES. MES, we like the 86.50. Gold, we're good at 28 on a fib. We'll short the top of the orb in gold if we go in that direction. We got 47.20 below on a VWAP. And we're taking a chill pill. Wah, wah, wah. I like the pivot point better for the ES on the sell side. All right, let's take a look. All right, we can be conservative. What is that? 89? I'm down with that. Around 89, Arlene? Yeah. Okay. Do a little dance. Gold just ripped up. Crazy. And you got a fib at 91.50. All right, good. Wow, gold's all over the place, guys. Well, we certainly like the top of the orb in gold, 56, right? Again, let's just be patient, let things set up. I don't think we're getting all the way up there, but let's put it out. Never know. $47.56. Boom. Would have missed our 86.50 in the ESs anyway. Wah, wah, wah. Why do we cancel the 200 EMA and what? We never hit it. We're bidding it. We're bidding 71 right now, bottom of the orb. Oh, the 200 EMA short. Yeah. You told me to. All right, let's see if we get to 71 on this bop down. Down 5 points. It's good. This Nick Papadopoulos. You piece of dog crap. Wah, wah, wah. This pop. This med. And below that, we got our basically double bottom down lower. Like any other. We're just bopping up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Spike up, spike down. Yeah. Yep, we're ranging in the orb. We'll give this 71 another couple minutes. Cancel the 89. Obviously, we're not getting there. Yes, patience, guys and girls. Patience, patience. Dust? Dust in the wind? If anything with dust, it'll be a swing trade at some point. But again, it's $5. We can't trade dust. It's not even worth it, Joe, or whoever posted that. Ain't worth it. Ain't nothing but the real thing, baby. Arlene talked us out of the 200 EMA and ES. Otherwise, we would have had a really nice trade. It's all Arlene's fault. I know.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Nothing fits right now, guys and girls. Take a chill pill.
Hey, Peter.
I'd rather
Good morning,
have one winning
everybody.
trade than a one losing trade. So everyone just chill.
How's everybody doing? So, I get a minute to jump in, Davey?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. So anyway, guys, well, look, I just walked on the floor. It's good morning, Deshaun. I mean, we're down 103 handles on the SPY, and look, so obviously this. It's all to look. You're going to see a spike in gold, silver, and maybe even crypto. I don't even know. To be perfectly honest, this is all about what I mentioned before a little bit. This is all on the U.S.'s demand for an attack on Greenland. We are basically saying that if we don't attack them, Russia will attack them. And so it's a strange play. I don't really get it, but surely what's happening is, which is making it even worse, is that very often when we do this, the European nations are a little bit splintered on their sort of coordinated response to the United States. At this point, they all happen to be at the party in Europe, right? They're all at Davos, and so they are all in agreement that whatever the United States is doing is completely nuts. And so when you have that consolidated effort against the United States, that's why this could escalate into something really disastrous, unfortunately. But at the end of the day, it's really effective. So he's implementing an immediate 10% and could be as high as 25% tariff on any European nation that doesn't endorse his attack on Greenland. So, you know what? At this point, look, market's been dying for something to either take it higher or lower. This is the move right now. I think there's some kind of a, the poly market, the prediction platforms are making huge bets on the fact is that the United States does something like that. But anyway, that's where we stand. That is the move that's making the market move right now. Up until then, we do have look, the earnings did come out last week. They were a little disappointing. The bank earnings were not as good as anticipated. We haven't had really sort of weaker bank earnings for a while. That was what sort of made the market a little bit skittish last week.
89 on this pop up, guys and girls. In the ESs if we get it. Quick trade.
What are you guys trading, Davey?
ESs.
Are they're in that 100 down, 103 down the lows, aren't the SPY just right on?
Bouncing now. Try to get one for a point if we can, guys. Got one for a point, got one for 2 points, got one for 3 points. Out. Got one for 4 points, got one for 5 points. What a call by Arlene, guys and girls. Boom. Well, it was a pivot point too, but how about them apples?
It's peeled.
That's a day maker. We didn't cancel. We put it back out. Everybody should have got it. Everybody get that trade? Oh, chaka-laka-laka, yeah.
I thought you did
89.75. All right, let's go to the 15-minute orb. And take a chill pill. All right, relax.
All right, guys. I'm going to go back to work and see what I got going on in my trades. But anyway, now we know what's really going on. Let's see how the market responds. Look, at the end of the day, this thing could completely change its mind. We could end up in positive territory by the end of the day. We've seen it happen before. These big sell-offs early morning on a Tuesday morning can very often turn around and pivot the other way. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Hey,
Bottom of
Peter.
the orb and
Yes,
Peter,
yes.
bottom of the
you
orb
said
and
something
ES
about
guy,
silver and
71.
gold spiking.
Well, look, at the end of the day, when markets sell off radically, there's a flight to safety. People are always looking for, that's the historic trade is when people sell the market, especially off of geopolitical fears, then people grab a hold of something that's a hard asset, which would be gold right now and or silver. So, I mean, what's
Okay.
gold doing? You guys see it better than me. That's
Okay.
that's a classic trade, is right. It's this flight to
Gold's up
safety. It's a hard asset.
$148.
All right. Yeah, I'm just curious because I have some gold and silver to sell. So if it pops up, that would be great.
Yeah, no, I mean, I would imagine it should as
This
people
has a
sort of
fib at
get
74, guys. We're
Thank
doing MES
Thanks,
small
Peter.
at
You
74.
got it. Cheers.
And this pop down. This has a fib. 73, 75. 68, 73, 75. This pop. Yeah. Gold's up from 33. Yeah, I don't think we ever got to 33. Thought we got to like 33 and change. Yeah, it got to 33.40 was the low in gold. Never hit 33. Fish, we still good on this, Nick Papadopoulos? Yeah, I think we're still good. Yep. Yeah, we have a lot of visitors this week. Everybody who bought a course is here with us this week. Yep. And we got boot camp next week, guys and girls. So if you haven't got into the boot camp yet, you can always upgrade into the boot camp. Now, a lot of you have it already, but if anyone who owns a course, you can upgrade into the boot camp for $200 and be with us all next week. Where can I get the orb chart? Yeah, we'll talk about that in slow markets tonight for all of our course members. What if you took the boot camp a year ago? You can do it again for $200, Deshaun, and be with us all next week. Yep. You can always take the boot camp over and over again for $200. Email Roman, and he'll get you a voucher in. Yeah, I mean, $200 to hang out for the whole week and get a whole boot camp is insane. Yeah, we didn't get the vicious fib. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Womp, womp, womp. Difficult to trade. Private room cost, if you just want to be in a room, is $299 per month. And it includes the boot camp. Oh, includes a boot camp every month. What do you learn in a boot camp that you don't learn in a course? Same material, but we go over it live in real time. You get Scotty, you get Ken, you get Kevin. We do the entire course live in real time while we are trading, Monday through Friday. And slow markets on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I would say I have the room open at 7:30. We officially start at 8:30. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the ESs, we just pulled back and hit our trend lines down at 79 and 78. Boom. So yeah, we can kind of consider it a trend now. I mean, here's the bottom line. You know, we pulled down to that 30 EMA. I don't know. I don't think it's a trend. We're just sitting. Beautiful orb breakout? Not yet. What are you looking at, Joe? The top of the orb would be up here. This would be the breakout, and I can't do that. We're going up 10 points to hit the breakout. 96 Jazz has a fib. Let's put that out short. I'm down with that. Oh, you can look for the breakout. Yes. But tough because we just went up 10 points to hit that. So. But we like the fib at 96. Pump, pump, pump. So here's the deal for everybody, bottom line. And we'll talk more to the trading room, guys. If you YouTubers want to come into the trading room this week, just send me an email. I'll get you in the next hour or so after we finish here. Okay. If you already are a course member, guys and girls, you are entitled to Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets every Tuesday and Thursday night. You have the link in your resource center. Okay? That's that. If you do not have any of our courses, WSGTA.com to sign up for our courses. Ultimate course includes everything. Tuesday nights, Thursday nights, boot camp, stocks, options, futures. If you just want the futures course, which entitles you to Tuesday and Thursday nights, you can go to WSGTA.com. Ultimate course includes everything. Futures course includes Tuesdays and Thursday nights. 6,900, we got a fib in the ESs. I would love that if we get there, Javi. You're going to see in the next half hour or so, guys and girls, we're going to start losing volume and slowing down already. Of all the people who are visiting in a room, a lot of you, how many people who are visiting in a room bought the ultimate course and will be with us in the boot camp next week? Give me some ones. And I also want you guys, because a lot of you people, we're not trading futures. Do you see why we're trading futures now, guys and girls? Give me some twos. Why we want to get you all to trade futures, low barrier to entry. We try to make a couple bucks every single day. So I'll open you guys up to a whole new world. That's why we want you doing it. Yeah, take your time with the boot camp. Like Scotty said, go through the courses, come on Tuesday and Thursday nights. Exactly, Doc. Come on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Then by the time the next boot camp rolls around, you'll be ready to go. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. But what we give you guys, the value for what we do is just insane. You're not going to find this anywhere else. 250 bucks, $300 to get our cheapest course and be with us Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Nobody's doing that. And we're trading with you all day long in the trading room. Trading room's $15 a day. And you get a boot camp. That's insane. I know a lot of people are asking me. Just my email. PayPal. You don't auto charge. You can do 1 month. That's it. Yes, we're trying to teach all day, every single day. Yes, 100%. Look, and we have some unbelievable success stories, guys and girls. Really good stuff. Last week, we had Damien run our room for a little bit. We had 2 other people who are in our trading room, running the room, getting some good experience running the room, sharing their charts. I would do that on every single Friday. We have a guest trader. And some of the people who are doing this have incredible success stories. That's great practice. It's great to be put yourself out there and run the room. We encourage it, and we get some great trades from everybody. This is, we want everybody to do well. There's no competition here. Okay. We want everybody to do well, period. The difference in my trading, thanks to this crew, the course, and the videos, has been massive. I can't wait for boot camp. Boot camp will just solidify everything, guys. It will just put everything into place. Don't forget, during the boot camp, we have Tuesday and Thursday nights also included. Me and Scotty will be here tonight at 6 o'clock. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Are we hiring? Not at this time. Bottom of the OBS. Yes, we like that. What is it? 71. Yeah, we see how we're starting to slow down, guys and girls. We're starting to lose volume, and it's what, 10 o'clock? Yeah, 68, 72, 50. Yes, not unusual for this to happen. You know, everybody did what they had to do early in the morning, and now we're sitting in nowhere's land and everything. Cancel that short. What's gold doing? See how everything is just dead. Dead, 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 dead. Some days, Gene, some days the window of opportunity is short. Some days it's get 10 trades in a day. Look, the idea is, and it doesn't work all the time, and we're going to have losing trades, okay, to make a couple bucks in the morning and then go do something else. That's the idea. Now, everybody should stay here today. Now, I've already got private messages from the 2 trades we got. That's enough to make your day. I got 25 private messages that people are done for the day. They're hanging out now. That's it. Open up another account for $39 and try to qualify it. That's what you do. Looking at my back door. You know, I was aggressive today in a couple of trades that we did. I'll show you guys. I don't mind. I made $2,300 in one account. Some of that was from last night, though, from the breakout in the orb and gold. I made $1,000 in another account. It's 3,300 bucks, and now I'm working on my PA account. I need to make 600 bucks more in my PA account to have that qualified. So I had, between that and wealth charts, a $5,000 debt between last night and tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Most people don't understand day trading. We are not making predictions. That's right. That's right. That is right. We are operators of the system, as Ken likes to say. That's all we do. We operate the system once we learn all the trading rules. That's it. Yeah, this was wealth charts. 2,900 bucks. So like a $5,000-6,000 day. And we didn't have that many trades, but last night was good. ES, 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 ES. I'm staying at 72.50 on this pop down unless Vish says not to. Take profits, guys. Take profits. Take profits. Got out at 75, guys. Everybody get in and out. Boom. Boom. Thank you. Looking out my back door. Yeah, you're right. How did we get in that trade? I don't see it trading there. I see 72.75. How did we get in? Or was that vicious number 72.75? Now I don't remember. It was 72.75, guys? Yes, it was. So not everyone got it because not a lot traded there. But we got some people did, some people didn't. Don't worry if you didn't get it next trade. Don't worry. All right, what do we like now, guys and girls? Pivot point 64.50. Move on, guys and girls. If you didn't get it, don't worry about it. Not everyone got it. Some people did, some people did. 68, 64.50. 68, 64.50. You like 63.50? All right, we'll go 63.50. Not every time we do a trade when it hits exactly our level, we're not going to get it. It's just the way it is. Cancel this buy in gold. We ain't getting that. I'm up 60 bucks on 2 trades trading micros. There you go, gold. And you know what, guys and girls? You can trade micros. It's fine. You can qualify accounts trading micros. Start trading 2, go up to 3, go up to 4, whatever. But you can qualify accounts trading micros. Gold 54.20 on this pop. Let's do it. 47.54. These are all Fibonacci levels, guys and girls, that we're posting up here. And we're going to go over Fibonacci's for 2 hours in the boot camp. 2 hours. Teach you all how to do Fibonacci's. Can I sign up for the room via my Wall Street Gold? What do you mean sign up for the room, Jared? The private trading room? What you talking about, Willis? Boom, boom, boom. All right, we got gold on this pop up. We got ESs down there. The daily after this week is $2.99 per month, includes the boot camp. Every month, and Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets. Private room ends when we've made enough money or the end of the day. That's the bottom line. I mean, it's an individual thing. I like people. I just got another 15 private messages that more people are done trading for the day today. If you are not done trading for the day today, and not everybody got every trade, we understand that. And you're still here, you should only be trading micros now. Period. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Gold, gold, gold. Well, the top of the orb is 56. Now, we just missed 54.20. We got the 53.50, so let's cancel that. What'd you boom, George? What the hell did you boom? We missed the fib in gold. You stink. Yeah, that's cool, Office. You should be just watching when you first come in. It's all good. Yeah, we didn't get it. It got the 53. It got the 52.20. He was at 54 and change. He was at 54.20. Unless you did it wrong, George, and then you made some money anyway. You must have put in 52.20 instead of 54.20. Right? Well, we like the top of the orb double top, 56.60. We'll put that out for a minute. 47.56. Here's the bottom line, guys and girls. I know for myself and a lot of other people in the room, we are not in a hurry to trade anymore today. Do I look at the VIX? Occasionally, I'll look at the VIX. I'll do a swing trade. You know, if the market gets really out of hand to the upside, I'll look to buy some UVXY at times. That's the only time I ever look at it. Man, Bitcoin's down 5%. Yowza. Where are we on a daily chart and weekly charts in Bitcoin? Daily, we broke a bunch of levels. Weekly, we're kind of just hanging out. Monthly in Bitcoin is 80,251. That'd be a nice spot. It's only down 10,000 points. When you trade 2 minis per trade, how many times can you be wrong before you blow an account with the stops we use? That's a great question. It's never happened to us. I don't know the answer to that. If you stick to all our rules, we don't blow many accounts. I'm not saying it can't happen, but people do blow it. People blow accounts all the time. I told you about the VIX tweak. I watch it once in a while. Only to do swing trades. ESs are breaking down. Look at the bottom of the orb in Bitcoin. Nice breakdown. On Friday, someone asked you an ATR, and you had mentioned that when the ATR gets real low, you look for a move double the ATR because 10-point moves aren't happening. Question, Matt. You going to be with us in slow markets tonight? We'll go over it. Remind me. Okay. I just qualified one account using Nidra, but it's not yet. You'll get an email, Carla, from Apex telling them that you passed it. Give it a few hours. Might not even be till tonight. Nice job, by the way. All right, ESs. We're getting a Smackadaka and Wickadaka. All right, I like the 63.50 if we can get there fast, guys. I'll talk about Netflix earnings. I'll make myself a note. We'll watch Netflix earnings tonight. Okay, how do you like that, guys and girls? Everybody here, we'll watch Netflix earning tonight. All right, just to get some experience. We'll hang out. Yep. All right, so 63.50 we like if we can get it on this pop down, guys and girls. There's the bouncy wouncy. Dude, what do I think about Netflix earnings? I don't think, Romaine. I don't think. I know the expected move is about $6. I'm going to go look at the charts a little bit later on, and we'll talk more about it. I can tell you the only thing I would ever do, guys and girls, going into earnings is an options trade. And we're going to give you 7 hours of options next week. Straddles, this, that, all those things that I don't really know about. We'll give you 7 hours of that next week. Technical analysis, guys. What's your entry criteria for Bitcoin? When it sets up on our charts and it moves enough to hit one of our levels, we make a trade. Well, ES just broke the bottom of the orb and gave you a nice trade, guys and girls, if you were an orb trader. Okay, the bottom of the orb was 71. It just gave you 5 points. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. There is your bottom of the orb. Kindly regarding some information, I would like to know how to make a swing trade for a save. I know that you're not a financial. No. Weekly. I'm not opposed to that too, Scrooge. And again, anybody who's a room member or owns our course, if you're thinking about doing a swing trade or something, I will give you my advice. Again, we don't give financial advice. I don't even tell you what to trade in this room. Okay? We will never tell you what to trade. Everybody pushes their own buttons. But I will certainly give you my advice and what I think. Period. Guys, I don't even think we like the 63.50 anymore unless it happens in the next 10 seconds. But I will always give you my advice on swing trades and options trade. Now, I'm not liking it either, Jazz. No thanks. We're going to chill. Vish has got 68.53 below, so let's do that. And let's cheat. 68.54. Well, like I said, you can email me and ask me what I think about something. I don't have a problem with that. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to post them in for the people who are in our private Twitter sphere. Oil. Let's look. Guys, there's no one else anywhere in the trading world that is going to give you what we give you. It's not going to happen. It is not going to happen. Period. Yeah, look how nice that 63 would have been, you piece of dog crap. But we get it. We got to, we didn't come that close. 65.75. Short, yes, we would love the 200 EMA short. That would set up for a trade now. Absolutely. Again, guys, girls, we're floating in nowhere's land now. What? You're worse than my wife.
Dave, do you want me to post that glossary?
What glossary?
Your glossary of your trading terms.
Oh, there's way too many people in here. No. That's a special thing. Nobody's getting that. No. We will do as much as we can to help everybody without giving away the shop. Yes. No, I don't no more. I'm tired of waking on a phone. All right, go ahead, Trin. You can post the glossary.
Okay, I will.
The glossary is just a list of all of our sayings that we do in here and what they mean. I would like to invest, but I know that you guys lose on student. Lose, what is that? What the hell are you saying? We loose on students? I know you guys loose on your students. Losing money on students? We ain't making money, I can tell you that. Not much. I make 10 times as much trading as I do selling courses or in my trading room. That's for sure. I bought the full course last week, and this is my first Monday. I can't see all the chats on this channel. Is it a YouTube problem? Well, because you're in the wrong channel, Tarish. Come into the trading room, and you'll be able to see everything, okay? Just send me an email. I'll get you in the trading room for the rest of this week. And you're in the boot. Are you in the boot camp next week? Tarish, are you in a boot camp next week, or are you waiting a little bit? But send me an email. We'll get you into the trading room. Gabishi? You got me, Tarish? Yeah, that was bad, Scrooge. I don't know what the hell you're talking. I think I like the orb breakout trades more in slow markets. Yeah, sometimes they're cleaner, Chris. Gotcha, Tarish. All good. Sometimes they're cleaner. Scrooge? No, Scrooge just comes in every other week when I offer a free trial. He's been in more free trials than anyone in history. I think we're gonna have to limit him now, though. I think you're done unless you buy some. Here's my email for those who want to come into the room. Gene loves trials. You know what the best part of this is, guys? We've lost 2 people since we started this morning. We had 230 people this morning. We have 228. It's good. Hang out. Learn as much as you can.
Hey, Dave,
What?
I saw on the news yesterday that Florida had got snow. Is that true?
Yeah, all the way up north.
Wow,
Yes.
that's pretty wild.
Jason, you want just the Twitter room? Private message me here and I'll give you the link for the Twitter. Okay. Click on my name and private message me. Yeah. Do we have visitors from YouTube? How many people in here are visiting us from YouTube in the private trading room? Give me a 1. Yeah, that's a bunch. More people that have the course, though. I got a quick 1.5 points off the 15 EMA in gold. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Very nice. Yeah, that was our trend. The EMA was 47.45. It exactly got to 47. Well, it went 3 points below it, but gave you a point. We like the bottom of the orb in gold, right? Yeah, if we get down to 33. I'm tired of waking up on the floor.
Dave,
Oh my God. She's worse than my wife. No question about
have a nice day. I'll see you tomorrow.
it. What do you got?
What do I got?
Yeah. Why are you calling my name again?
I just wanted to say have a nice day.
Oh, all right. You too.
Yeah. Love
Love
you.
you.
Have a nice day.
Love you. Love you. I am in a Twitter, but I did not get any updates. I do not know if it's an issue on my end. I sent an update this morning that everybody should have got. So if you did not get it, private message me in here, click on my name, and I will give you the link. If you are a room or course member. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right, gold. We like the bottom of the orb, guys? 47.33.50? Absolutely. Or do we like 36 for a little trade? That'll be straight down 12 points. 37.10, Vish? I like it. Let's do it. 47.37.10. Up down. 44.37. And again, guys and girls, if you're at near close to your goal, you should not be trading anymore. Yes. Got you, Johnny. Got you, Zay. Remember, guys and girls, this is only if you are a course member or a room member. Got you, James. Got you, Brittany. Okay.
Dave, fix your gold trade.
Got you, Eric. All right, give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, I got my gold in the wrong spot. What is it? 47.37.10. 47.37.10. Just pop down. We're not getting it anyway. How do I become a room member? Okay. I'm a course member. How do we get the trading room after this? Okay, here it is again, guys and girls. If you want to just be in the trading room, it is $300 per month. And that includes a live boot camp. dgreen927 at yahoo.com. Use PayPal.
I'm on the wrong line, so I still can't get on.
Okay. Boom. Done. Got you, Chandra. You guys are gonna have to send me a request here. Got you, Marianne. This is not for the new room. This is not for the new room link, Marianne. We're not doing that yet. This is just for swing trading. Fran, if you're just joining us for the first time, yes, this is all going to be confusing. No question about it. Come on Tuesdays and Thursdays, ask questions. Whoa, ESs, what are we doing here? That looks newsy to me, guys. We just went up 16 points. Let's just chill for a minute. I don't know. This seems a little newsy to me. Yeah, let's chill out. I don't know if this is news or not, but I don't want to do anything. Okay? Because it looks a little newsy to me. We just went up 16 points for no reason. Yes, you do, Jared. Send me a request.
Tariff news.
There you go. Stay away. Do not trade this. I mean, normally I would love to short the 89 and change, but don't do anything. News, news, news. Got you, Mark. Guys, we should cancel all our orders. If this market is ripping up, gold's going to go down. Just get out, break even. My bad. My bad. Yeah, if this market keeps going up, gold's going down, guys. So we had a chance to get out, break even at 37. Just have your stops and keep it small. No, 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 I don't smoke it no more. Tired of waking up on the floor. No, thank you, please. I'm just going to get out of gold if we get to like 35.50. Take a tiny, tiny loss. 36. There we go. Take a 1 point loss in gold. News, news, news. All good. No, 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 no. If the ESs keep going up, gold is going down, guys. So everybody should have got out with a 1 point loss in gold. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So let's stay away from gold. Unless we spike down to 47.16, we'll put that out. Small. Everybody get out with a 1 point loss in gold. Yes. If you did the trade. Good. All right, that's fine. Yeah, like I said, if the ESs keep going up, gold is going down, guys. So I like the 47.16. Now, again, we can't trade this. This is a news event. So nobody be looking to short. Just chill out. Actually, the breakout of the orb was good on the upside. Oh, thank you. It only makes me sneeze. Then it makes it hard to find the dough. See, it's very important to recognize when a news event is happening. And I recognized it right away. So you just got to take a chill pill when you see that happening. I know a girl. She came from Mallorca, Spain. She smiled because I did not understand. And I took out a 10-pound bag of cocaine. She said it was the best in all the land. Oh, you got the glossary, guys? Nice. What we'll look for in the ES is if we get a far from moving average trade. All good, Shlomi. ES 6911. Oh, we'll be all over that. Yes. It's tariff news, so take a chill pill. I smiled because I did not understand. And she took out a 10-pound bag of cocaine. She said it was the best in all the land. Just experience, guys. That we don't run into anything when this is happening. Chill. What you talking about, Willis? $69.11. I think we got $69.03. Jason, you got to send me your request, not the other way around. Let me see, daily, whatever it is. I know we had something here coming up. 15-minute, 69.16. Ooh, 6,900 is our 9 EMA. And then we got 69.13. You caught an influenza? What is that? We got 6,900 and 69.13, but we're only at a 64 RSI, guys, so we're not overdone. So take a chill pill. Supreme Court did not issue decision today on not America. Oh God. That's why we're rallying. Because they're not making a decision. Wonderful. Yep. Excuse me. It just means we're in for more volatility. Till these numb nuts make up their minds. Oil. Yeah, oil's been a nice trend trade. Nice trend trade. Gold's doing nothing. It is, and we're going to have this volatility forever. Or at least until this gets settled, which is not a bad thing, guys and girls. Not necessarily a bad thing. It's good for us if we get stuff setting up. 69.05-ish, let's do it. It'll be really stretched out up there. And we're on the MESs anyway. That'll probably give us a far from moving average trade. We'll do it small. Boom. Yes, volatility is a trader's friend, Gene. The more volatile we are, the easier it is for us to find levels to make trades. So yes. Yes. Do. do, 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 do. Gold 47.40. Let's look. Yeah, you like that on this pop up, Vish? I'll try it if you say. 47, 40, 20. I think we just missed it, Vish. Ah. It got to 47, 40, 10. I missed it by 10 cents and went down 5 points. You have got to be shitting me. Oh my God. 10 cents. Yowza. All right, what do we like? 45-ish? I like 45. Middle of the orb. Your fib was 38 and change. All right, well, that would have went 4 points against us, Pete. No, only 2 points, actually. All right, we got 69.05. We like that. What is he talking about on Tuesday, Thursday night? Fran, if you are a course member, every Tuesday and Thursday night, we do slow markets from 6 o'clock till 9:30. There is a link in your resource center. So every Tuesday night at 6 o'clock, starting tonight, well, we've always done it. There is a link for a live trading room where we trade futures all night and we teach. So that's what that's about. For all course members. Boom, chakalaka-laka. All right, we like 69.05, guys. Oh, 04.25, Darren, okay. Close enough. We've gotten back a lot of our losses already. Is there a link to this live room? No, the live room is completely separate, Tarish. It's a separate charge. Completely separate. The big spike in gold was from you, Chris. You bought it all? So, Fran, if you're a course member, you have that. All right, let's see if we get to 05 on this pop in the ESs. Again, I'm on MESs now. But I like 05, and then we got what? 11. This pop, guys. This pop. Ah, what'd we get to? 02.75? Nah, you stink. I don't know if you're a course member or not, Fran. Did you buy one of our courses?
Like no other, and we get the upside.
You would know if you bought one of our courses. If you're just visiting, you're not a course member. Oh, you're from NYIF. All right. Yeah, Fran, that counts. Send me an email. I'll get you the link to slow markets. Yep. You're a course member.
Sorry, sir, but you have 6905 out.
What happened?
You have.
Oh, I put it in MES.
Yeah.
Well, we just missed it in gold anyway. So we chill. Now, do we want to buy the top of the orb in gold in the ES? 69.90. And the trend is 69.87. And the 200 is 69.86. And the 15 EMA is 69.83. Yeah, email me, friend. I'll send you the link later on tonight. Yes, yes, yes. Gold broke the bottom of the orb for 2 points. Yeah, look at that. Oh, very nice. Do we like 23 in gold? I like 23 in gold, guys. VWAP. Let's put that out. Down 7 points from here. I'm down with that. 47.23. Boom. Yeah, gold's just flopping. I mean, the ESs are just flopping around now. I like gold at 23, guys, if we can get there. Where is Boyle? What is that doing? We had a good short in Boyle, up at 22. All right, what do we like on the buy side in the ESs, guys? Someone give me something. What do you like? 200 EMA is 86. I like that. Down 10 points from here. 68.86. Yeah, we canceled the short in the ES. Yes, we want to buy the ES close to the top of the orb. Gold, we got 23 is good. I'm gonna take. I gotta go to the bathroom. Badly. That's okay, Dame. You don't have to trade. Excellent, Gene. Yeah. Some of the people who are joining us today, are you at least give me some ones getting a sense of what we do here and how we do it? It's okay, Elijah. Everything we do, guys and girls, is just based on our charts. And we've got to teach you how to read the charts and how much something has to move for it to be a good trade, but it's not that complicated. It takes time. Okay? No question about it. It takes time, but it's not that complicated. It's really not. The hardest part of what we do, guys and girls, is following the rules all the time. And it's not even close. Good, Gene. That's what you want to do. Look, you have to be a good operator of your system, right? That's why on Ninja Trader, when you're trading futures, you don't even have to be trading real. You can be on a simulator and just practice. Meanwhile, look at the ES top of the orb break. Boom. Now, these orbs are good all day, guys and girls. Scotty set up my Ferrari really good. Excellent. Love it. Nice job, Peter. Good, Gene. Excellent. Orb retest. Which one, George? What are we looking at? The ESs? Yep. I like it. I mean, it's 89. I'm just a little bit down here. I'm being more conservative down to where my 200 and the 15-minute EMA is. So I'm just being a little more conservative. Cancel gold for now. I have to use the boys' room. Only order we have is 86 in the ESs. And we have 69.11 in case something stupid happens. Let's put that in. 69.11.50. Back teeth are floating. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Orders are good. YouTube, we got a few more minutes with you guys. I'll give you the email again. Yeah, isn't that cool? Mom, I've been learning a lot just on the YouTube lives. Imagine having the course. Yep. Gold, you got 4180. Okay, let's do that. 47, 4180. This. Okay, is good. Good, Pete. Excellent. ESs are doing nothing. And we're good in gold. All right. Everybody take a break. I just have to use the bathroom. Here's my email one more time if you want to spend the rest of the week with us, guys. I'm going to get out of here in a couple minutes from YouTube. Oops, wrong email. You guys should all know it by heart by now. Oh. What the hell did I leave out? Oh, I left 69. What did I do? 69, 1150. All right, I'm running to the bathroom. I got to go. Gold, we want on this pop up, 4180. Guys, I am not leaving any orders out while I'm in the boys' room. Gold does it on this pop out, you can do it, but this market's moving so fast, I don't want to leave anything out. ESs were fine, I don't care about that. All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Daniel, you can change. I say my bedroom. I say you shouldn't be on your phone, Nathaniel. I'm gonna be switching it off at this time.
Not like I could just take it out willy-nilly.
All right, ladies and gents, where are we? Did that gold work for any bit of anything? Kind of just sitting. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
What do we got? All right, tell me where we are, guys and girls. Doesn't look like gold work. Let me get rid of this shit stuff.
let's cover the furniture.
What did ES just miss? On the downside? Oh, yeah. Missed the 86. All right, let's regroup. Where do we want to be? What do we got? Okay. What do we like in the ESs now, guys? 200 EMA is what? 85? We like that? Down 5 points from here? The ATR is 10. Yeah. I'm kind of with Vish, guys, down at the 82 and change. That is our 30 EMA, 82.50. Again, let's be patient. Yeah, we're on a 15-minute order. $82.50. Yeah, we had out 86. That was the 200 EMA. Actually, that's down 6 points. I'm just looking at the ATR. It's 10 points now, guys and girls. 10 points. So we got to be more patient. The course and discipline and practice will change your life. Yes. I have no things to give away, guys. I will give away a few Apexes on Friday, guys. All right. So YouTube, come in on Friday and we'll give away some courses. We're going to end the YouTube link now. Hope everybody learned a whole bunch. And we will see you guys on Friday in YouTube again. You know what to do if you want to come into the trading room. Send me a link. I'll send you guys the link in a few minutes. All right. Let's hope today was the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. And I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. We will see YouTube bright and early on Friday. Out of here like Vladimir, over ski and out ski.